Hi, and welcome to ExportKit. In this example, we're going to take a look at the WordPress footer in a bit more detail and how we can manipulate the content to basically generate what we're expecting in the output. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates for new and upcoming videos. And let's jump right in. So we'll note that the footer, similar to our header, is very modular. And if we take a look at our actual WordPress theme, you'll see the footer at the bottom, which mimics our design. What's very important, again, similar to any section in WordPress, is that you must place all your content into a top level folder. So irregardless of the number of subfolders or child elements that you have, along with a folder, you should always make sure that you have a background as well. Now your background, this can be dependent on your design preferences. In this case, what we've done is we've given it an extra bleed so that we can apply overflow for various screen sizes, but it's completely up to you how you want to treat your background. What we've also done is added an option to edit the background in the admin. So we've given it a WP option tag and we've called it the BG color for the footer. So if we go and we take a look at our actual admin, and let's go to the footer section, you'll see that we have BG color. Let's select green possibly. Now let's refresh. And you'll note that now our footer color is green, and this is because we allowed for changes to be made via the admin panel. So let's just reset this. And now we're back to normal. What we could have also done with our design is that we could have given additional options in admin for the end user to basically modify anything that we require. So your end user is going to love the more options you give them. For instance, this paragraph is static, but if we wanted this to be something that could be changed, let's give it an option tag. Now, once we do this, in essence, in the output, the admin will be able to edit the options similar to how we just changed the colors. Now, we could apply this to anything here, and in essence, it's completely up to you how you want to treat the content. For instance, these logos, let's actually do it on each. Oh, we already have them. So we have Twitter and we have Facebook. This is within, I see the mistake. This should have been an image. Okay, so now we have a few options, or a few more options that the end user can manipulate in the output. So let's just go ahead and export this. Now what we want to do is, because we changed options, we're going to have to include the functions and the styles as well. Now let's simply refresh. And now we have our social options. This will be our icon, and we can actually change the link. We also have our About Us description. And let's actually take a look at the page. Unfortunately, I did not recopy the skins. I should have done that because we actually created new skins. So resync this, new images, there we go. And you'll see now that we can actually navigate these icons. So quick and easily, we were able to manipulate our footer. Now we also added another blog info call, and you can use code tag virtually anywhere in your design. And what this will do is allow you to add raw PHP, and you can call any native method within WordPress. So right now we're actually grabbing the blog info name. 2014, yes, you can tell when the original template was made. Yes, we had WordPress working in CS5. Yes, you're a little bit late to the show.